I'm in the kitchen now. This is the fish that I want to use to cook rice. I'm washing the fish. This is the fish. Catfish. Why this is the head of the fish? I have to wash well. Today is Wednesday. I have times table. This is tomatoes. I've already grounded the tomatoes. Why this is onions? Why this is vegetable? So I want to fry stew now. This is the 2 pot that is in the fire. I've already cooked rice. This one is the. I'm cooking meat here. This is meat. Don't you see the meat? I'm cooking meat. The oil is on the fire. This is the oil. Ishikukona badeli o. Ona hakakwa manya ne make kwa o. Kendira ho ma fe no. Kendira Elias kwa wa post o. Kendira Elias kwa wa comment we share o. Ona make maka o. Cause ono han one on gi one a fly. No ka o. Slow boy agozo nule. O slow boy agozo nule. O slow boy abo ehuri kaje no nule. Only lady him there I love the enemy. Slow boy agozo no na pa Jesus. Yes, I want to fry now. Why this is the joy. Oh, Father, say, Jarara. Oh, Father, say, Jarara. It's Yarabasi, Yabazuka. Ima Yarabasi, Yatuzuka. It's Yarabasi, Yabazuka. Oh, Father, say, Jonjo. Yakwani Derido. Yakwano, no matter what to. Very soon, before 5 minutes, I want to learn this too. Munami can be kon de so enjoy ya o oran pa ya no madam 10 one no so le bia